Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made a simple trap to catch fruit flies and get rid of the fruit fly menace in just 2 days. Are you wondering what fruit flies are? If you have been seeing small flies in your kitchen, they are probably fruit flies. Fruit flies are especially attracted to ripened fruits and vegetables like rotting bananas, potatoes, and onions. Let's see how to make this trap. Take a piece of ripe banana in a small plastic container. Cover this using a cling film or a plastic cover. I have used packaging tape. Secure this with a rubber band if necessary. Using a sharp tool, poke 4 tiny holes. Make sure that the holes are big enough for the flies to fly in. In case the holes are too big, then this trap won't work. Once the trap is ready, keep it undisturbed for 2 days in a spot where the flies are too high.
2 days later.
As you can see, the fruit flies are trapped inside the container. If you are also facing this issue at home, do try this out and let us know if it worked. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Until next time, bye bye.